Why join late?
Miss, what did you say?
So why are you late today? 2-3 minutes late. Only Shakra joined on the correct day.
Ma'am, I cannot find my chair. That's why. Hello.
Hi.
You can hear them, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. So yes, one thing I want to say, yeah, to the Monday will be a holiday for you. Okay, it's for your
Why?
it's for your study leave.
Okay.
Okay, the message will be sent in the class group. So Monday is holiday for to all the students. And wish you all the very best years and try to come. Yeah, the due date is over. So revise well. And if you have any doubts in your subject, you can ask your subject teachers. They will help you to clear that one. Okay. So all the very best to one and all. Bye all. Your ma'am will join it. I have another class in another class, so I'm just leaving from here. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.